Today I'm going to show you how to make the best red smoothie that can lower your blood pressure naturally. So I'm on my desk here in my kitchen. I have various fruits for you. The first thing I'm going to put in my blender is the beet. And you notice I have only partially peeled the beets because the inside and the outside have different nutrients. Beets are high in nitrates. Nitrates convert into nitric oxide that vasodilate your blood vessels and therefore lower blood pressure. So beets have to be part of this red smoothie. Then I'm going to use cucumbers, small portion of cucumbers. Cucumbers are high in water content to keep you hydrated. Dehydration can lead to hypertension. Hydration can lower blood pressure. Also, these also have nitric oxide that will dilate the blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Now I'm putting watermelon, a small portion of watermelon. Watermelon contains citrulline, which is an amino acid that relaxes the blood pressure. Actually relaxes the blood vessels, increase blood flow to the tissue, and also decreases blood pressure. Now, cherries. Cherries are high in anthocyanins, high in antioxidants, great for heart health, and therefore will decrease blood pressure. I love cherries. I'm going to put some more cherries here. A couple. You can put a couple cherries. You may ask, how many? Put about 8 or 10 cherries. Cherries are also high in various nutrients such as potassium. Potassium would also decrease blood pressure. So let's add some more cherries here. These are just fantastic in lowering blood pressure naturally and fast. All right, let's put a couple more. And depends on you. You can use cherries. You can also use strawberries. Strawberries are high in anthocyanins, high in antioxidants, polyphenols, great for cardiovascular health, and therefore will lower blood pressure. Now let's go to the kale. I'm going to put a couple leaves of kale. These are already washed. Kales are also high in nitrates. Nitrates convert into nitric oxide, relaxes the blood vessel walls, low blood pressure. Also, kales are high in other nutrients that will lower blood pressure. Now, I'm going to be adding my hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea, this is amazing. This tea is made from hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus tea has been studied for many years. Hibiscus tea have a chemical that inhibits angiotensin. Angiotensin is a hormone that constricts the blood vessel wall and therefore increase blood pressure. But when you use hibiscus tea inhibit that constriction and therefore will lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that consuming 1 to 3 cups of hibiscus tea per day can lower blood pressure, both the systolic and diastolic blood pressure, by about 10 to 20 points in 2 weeks. What have I forgotten? Bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium. Potassium helps to regulate the sodium levels and therefore decrease blood pressure. Magnesium helps to relax also the blood pressure walls and therefore fantastic in lowering blood pressure. So let's make our green smoothie. This is the perfect smoothie in lowering your blood pressure. Smoothie. Now you can also freeze your fruits and vegetables so it will change the consistency of this red smoothie. Let's see, it's amazing. I'm drinking this every day. 1 to 2 glasses. can lower your blood pressure naturally in 2 weeks. It's amazingly delicious. Try this and lower your blood pressure naturally in 1 to 2 weeks.